If you want to add a rain effect into your Instagram stories, this is how you can do it, and it's very simple. We're gonna use Videorama, so we're gonna open our app and we're gonna start from scratch, and we're gonna tap on portrait mode right here, and we're gonna pick a video. Try to pick the one that is vertical. In this case I have this one, just to give you an example. And what we're gonna do right now is to go to video effects. We're gonna tap on there and we're gonna select rain. So after that we're gonna go to volume and decrease it all the way down, because you don't want the, if you want the sound of rain, that's fine. In this case I'm not gonna use it because this video already has background music. So we're gonna move the editing line right here, and we're gonna try to find the place where it finishes the effect. I don't know, but for some reason sometimes it takes the entire video, but sometimes it doesn't take the entire video. The effect stops by the like in the middle of the video for some reason. I don't know why. That's one thing that I don't like about this app, is that sometimes the effect that you want to apply to your video takes the entire video, and sometimes it only takes half of the video. But in this case it took the entire video, so I'm just gonna leave it as it is. But if you have the same problem of having just like 6 seconds or so of having the rain effect, what you can do is just stop the video where it's almost to finish the effect, and you just have to tap again on video effects and go to rain and add another effect. And we're gonna do the same process. We're gonna tap on volume and decrease it, done, and then down again. So you have 2 times the same effect. So that's gonna take the entire video, only if the app doesn't apply the effect to your whole Instagram story. So now we're just gonna tap on share. We're gonna go to the resolution right here. We're gonna pick 1080 on 60 frames per second, and we're gonna tell the app that we're gonna save that video into our album, and now it's saving it. So at the very end of this video I'm just gonna play the Instagram story with the rain effect so you can see it. Thanks for your time, and if you want to support this channel, I'm gonna leave some links in the description.
Missing someone.